Let's get right into it. Step 1. Patience check. First things first, give it a moment. Sometimes, the system just needs a little more time to complete the update or installation process. If it's been stuck for an unusually long time, then it's time to take action. Step 2. Force restart. If patience doesn't do the trick, the good old force restart might be the solution. Hold down the power button until your laptop turns off completely. Then, turn it back on. This simple action can often kickstart the system and move past the getting Windows ready phase. Step 3. Boot into safe mode. Another method is to boot into safe mode. Restart your laptop and, during the boot up process, press the F8 key repeatedly. From there, you can troubleshoot and potentially identify the issue causing the hang-up. Step 4. Perform a system restore. If all else fails, you might want to consider a system restore. Boot into the Windows recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select System Restore. This will revert your system to a previous state before the issue occurred. There you have it. Quick fixes to get your laptop unstuck from the Getting Windows Ready screen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. Until next time, may your laptops run smoothly and your tech headaches be minimal. Thanks for watching.